Few days back I posted a video on how I have started playing Wordle with Python. Now that gives me hints, and if you want to look at that code and start using that code to get hints for your daily Wordle plays, then definitely stick on to this video, because towards the end of the video I will be sharing how you can get that code and start using it. Whenever you have to make such projects in Python or any programming language, first you'll have to chart out that what really is the problem which you're going to automate or which you're going to take the help of a computer. Because in this current situation of Wordle game, what I have is the challenge of remembering words, because I do not have a rich vocabulary, and it could be because of various reasons. But the thing is that there are few people who are not good at calculations, and then there are few people who are not good at vocabulary, and I thought that why not use my programming skills to help my vocabulary skills. So let's understand that how the format of Wordle is giving us the format of the program. So whenever we guess a word in Wordle, we understand that which letters are present, which letters are absent, and also whether the letters are at the correct position of the word or not. If we incorporate these information in our Python program, then we can definitely get hints as to what could be the next word. And to give you the rough idea, even if you have not watched my previous video, which I highly recommend, you can watch it from here. First, let's load the libraries, and the key library here would be NLTK. So NLTK will get us the list of English words. Now using those list of English words, we will refine it further to make a list of 5-letter English words. Now using those 5-letter words, we'll further refine it, because there are words in NLTK list which has like a few of the letters are in capitals, few of the letters are in small. So I'll change that completely so that everything is in lowercase. So I'll do that also, and then we will have a refined list of 5-letter words. Now this will be our basic list, and there are around 9,700 words like this. So obviously from 9,700 you cannot randomly guess any word. You need to have hints, and there gives the idea of Wordle and how Wordle helps us in this program. So whenever we guess a word, we get the information of letters present, letters absent, the correct incorrect position, right? So we will be incorporating this in the code using lists and checking for the condition, right? So now if we have understood this part, so let's just try to refine this further. The first guess which you will have is Sally. Now why Sally? Because if you have watched a video by 3 Blue 1 Brown, he talks about the information theory and how Sally gives you the most information for the first guess. So we will be using Sally. Now after you use Sally as the first guess for Wordle, you will automatically understand which letters are present or absent or correct or incorrect position. So we will incorporate in that code and run that block of code in Jupyter Notebook or any environment which you're working on. And the moment we run it, we will get a shorter version of the 5-letter list which we have. So let's say the list has now 30-40 words. So you can look at the words and take a guess, or you can randomly choose a words as well using Python. After you keep on guessing, I kind of have an intuition and I kind of have an experience that after 2-3 guesses you will get the right word. So this is how this program works. So now if you want to use that program, you can directly go to the GitHub link which I have shared in the description box of this video. Go to that GitHub link. So that GitHub link will have a Jupyter Notebook file. So that file would actually be not directly usable because that file is already run once. So you need to change few things there, right? Because after each play, or rather after each guess of your Wordle, you have to keep running it always, right? It's not a plug and play solution. You will have to have some kind of a basic sense as to how can I use a program. That program really helps people who are not very great at vocabulary and memory, so that they can also play this game and start enjoying Wordle.